Hello, in this video I'm going to give you 6 tips for creating a relaxing space to journal. Welcome back to I Love Journaling, or maybe this is your first time here. I'm Shelly and I help people use journaling to improve their life. So let's get into these 6 tips. If you want to start journaling every day, finding a relaxing place to do it is really going to help. So you don't need to have an entire room dedicated to journaling, but you do want to have a relaxing space that you can retreat to. So I'm going to give you some great tips on how to create a relaxing space to journal. Number 1 is choose a quiet space. The first thing you want to focus on when looking for the perfect journaling space is whether it is quiet. You're going to need a quiet area to write to get your thoughts and feelings clearly down onto the paper. If you're trying to journal in a room with other people, your mind is not going to be able to focus. So if you have kids, you can do it when they're in bed, or you could create a quiet space in your bedroom where you won't be disturbed. It could even be an outdoor space when the weather is warm, as long as there isn't loud traffic or other noises. And I've got another video on journaling outside, which I will share with you at the end. Number 2 is eliminate clutter. Wherever you choose to have your journaling space, it's important to eliminate any clutter. Whenever a space is cluttered, it can cause our mind to become cluttered too. So clean up the area, make sure it's organized. The more organized your journaling space, the easier you will find to write. Number 3 is to add a plant to the space, or multiple plants. You will want to make your journaling space as pleasant as you can, and this means it should be visually appealing as well as comfortable. And adding a plant to the space is an easy way to do that. That can help give it a sense of calm and tranquility. Also, plants are known to improve air quality. So if you have an indoor journaling space, you can boost the oxygen levels in there by using plants. And this is another reason why journaling outside is so great. So if you can do it outside, even better. Number 4 is to use relaxing scents. When you are going to write, you can actually control how you feel with the power of scent. You can create a relaxing, calming space by using things like essential oils or incense. I often have a candle burning, which is also a way to, have some scent going. Incense is great. And as far as essential oils, you can buy a diffuser. So basically you're just putting a couple drops of essential oil into the diffuser, and it uses either water, electricity, or some type of way to release the scent into the room. So that's a great way to get into the mood to start journaling. Number 5 is have comfortable seating. So you will want to focus on comfortable seating because you aren't going to want to write not for very long if you don't have a comfortable place to sit. You could write on your bed, if that's fine, or an ergonomic office chair. Some people prefer to write on like one of those large, oversized beanbag type chairs. The more comfortable your writing space, the longer you are likely to stick to it. And our last tip is number 6, use inspiring nature scenes. Most people become relaxed automatically when they are looking at the ocean or a forest or the sky or trees. So try to find images that help put you into a good mindset where you can relax and become inspired to write. So I mentioned journaling outside, and I've actually got a video on why nature is such a great space for journaling. So you can check that out here, and be sure to subscribe and comment below. I would love to hear what you do to make your journaling space comfortable and relaxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.